Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send disappearing message on WhatsApp. So for you to send disappearing message on WhatsApp, let's move into our WhatsApp app. If you're in your WhatsApp, you go to your settings, you move to accounts, click on privacy, default message timer. As you can see, mine is currently off. You can select 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, and this will automatically apply to all your contact messages. Anyone you select, if you want to go with the 24 hours, if you want to go with the 7 days for the message to disappear after 7 days, you can go with it. If you want it to disappear after 90 days, you select the 90 days and it applies to all your contacts. But if you want to make these settings in individual chats, here is what you need to do. Let's go back. You go to chats, you select the name of the person you want to set the disappearing message for. You click on the name of the person at the top. As you can see, disappearing messages is off. You click on it. Then here you set disappearing message for this particular person, depending on the dates, on the amount of day you want the message to stay before disappearing. You can go with 24 hours, select 24 hours, you can go with 7 days, you can go with 90 days. So that's it. You can actually send disappearing message for this particular person for 24 hours and you go to someone else. For example, you go to someone else and set it for 90 days. So that's it guys, on how to send disappearing message on WhatsApp. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and turns up the notification bell for you to be getting more and more of my interesting videos. Have a nice day guys.